Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg rolls. Now egg rolls is again similar to spring rolls. The only difference is that egg rolls is eaten as mains and not sides. So let's get started. We're going to first make the filling how to make the egg rolls. In a hot wok, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add cabbage, onions, red onions, spring onions, shiitake mushrooms, and carrots. I'm going to fry this until everything is melted and nicely dried up. I want all the water to dry up. Okay. Again, I'll make a well in between and add 200 grams of ground chicken mince. Make sure that the chicken mince spreads all over and mixes well with the vegetable that you are using. Make sure that it does not, gather one place and becomes one thick giant meatball there. Next I'm going to add is 2 tablespoons of or 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Okay, I'm using oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of light soy. Light soy. Add is 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally I will add my chicken powder. Just a little bit because I've already used soy sauce and oyster sauce, which is already salty. So as you can see now, the mixture is nicely dried up, almost dried up. Okay, I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes and let it cool, and then it's ready to start wrapping. We're now going to start wrapping the egg rolls. Alright, so my filling is already dried up and cooled down as well. So let's start wrapping now. So I have these ready-made wrappers. I'm going to take about 1.5 tablespoon of the wrapping. I'm sorry, the filling, and put it in the wrappers. Have a look how we are parceling those wrappers. Okay, just like an envelope, turn it around. Make sure that you moisten the edges so that all is stuck inside. Okay. So let's make one more and show you again. Okay, these are the wrappers. I'm going to take one sheet. Next, I'll add about 1.5 teaspoons of the filling. Okay, I'm rolling it once round, and then the corners I'm going to put them inside like an envelope, and then again roll it around. Make sure that you have moistened the edge so that it shuts. Let's fry them now. I have 3 rolls which are ready. Make sure that your flame is not very high, because it will only cook the outside, give you a color outside, and inside will be all raw. So make sure that you keep it on a medium flame so that it fries from inside as well and cooks again from inside. See now, the spring roll is now almost brown both sides. Okay, make sure that it's nicely crispy and brown all the sides and cooked as well, golden brown everywhere. Okay. Like this one, it's ready to be taken off. This one too. Alright, so I'm going to finish frying all of the egg rolls and then show you how I plate it. So here you go. My egg rolls are ready to eat. If you like this recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and share the recipe and put your comments. Also make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my new recipes that I post in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this. Have a nice day. Goodbye.